And our religion has emphasized the importance of friends, peers, and companions. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, الْأَخِلَّاءُ يَوْمَئِذٍ بَعْضُهُمْ لِبَعْضٍ عَدُوٌّ إِلَّا الْمُتَّقِينَ. He said, close friends on that day, on the day of judgment, will be enemies to each other except for the righteous. This verse shows us how impactful friends can be, and how people will blame their closest friends for their fate on the day of judgment. Or if their friends are righteous, that too will be a reason that they are righteous on that day. If this is the impact of friends on fully grown, mature adults, we can easily understand the impact of peers on our children while they are still undergoing critical moments of development. That impact could be far more intense. So it's important from an early age that we are considering who are we inviting into our child's social bubble. So we should be seeking out friendships for our families that align with our values. You can go to your local masjid and meet families and find people that align with how we want our kids to be raised, the similar values that we have, to help encourage positive peer influence with our kids.